Hey guys, it is early in the morning. We are heading to the airport. Chris and I got married 2 days ago, so we are heading out on our honeymoon. Before we get going, I just want to say thank you to all our family friends who came to our wedding and made it absolutely amazing. It was an amazing day. So we're heading to the airport right now to fly over to Mexico because we are going to the Secrets Resort. What is it pronounced? Maroma. Secrets Maroma. So let's get this adventure started. Flight down. We're here in Fort Lauderdale for a slight layover, and then we'll be heading to Cancun. So we'll be hanging out until we get on that flight. See you guys. We made it and we're in Cancun. So real quick, I just wanted to say a big thank you to the flight attendants who gave us 2 free drinks. We're celebrating and we have our nice shirts. So we're gonna get through passport security and everything and then get on our bus. Got our first drinks here at Secrets Maroma. Strong drink. It's good though. Now they're gonna bring our luggage to our room and we're gonna head over to our room now. So, and then get lunch. Wait? Yeah, she's gonna go with our luggage. And then we're gonna go to the room and then we're gonna get lunch because I'm hungry.
We're gonna change, get lunch, and then we're gonna go to the pool.
Swimming shoes. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a minute for the room tour. Welcome to the room tour at our Secrets Maroma Beach Junior Suite with a swim out. So obviously we come into a nice lobby area, cute little mirrors and stuff like that, and then you immediately have the bathroom, which I specifically brought bath bombs because I knew that this tub was huge and I knew that I wanted to use it. So obviously you have double sinks, huge bathtub. The shower is quite large with a rain head. That's gonna be awesome. And then a separate room for the toilet. You don't need to really see that because it's a toilet. Okay. We all know how this works. Alright, and then let's go into the main part. Alright. We haven't unpacked, but we're going to do that. And you have a full little slippers, robes, a lockbox. That'll be great. We'll put our stuff in there. It looks like a small drawer probably at the bottom with additional drawers in the entertainment center. Then we have the beautiful bed and I love the woodwork going on here. I love the color, the blues and pinks that they've decided to do. But you know, pink is usually like a girly color, but they make it just kind of part of it. And then we'll continue. Have a small step down, which this light lights up when you step to it. They have little sensors on the sides. It's very awesome. Little seating area because it is our honeymoon. We have some champagne for us to drink a little bit later. A small desk that will probably just be put junk on that, and then the swim out porch, whatever you want to call it, which is what we upgraded to. Can you just see eating breakfast over here in the morning, lounging over here in the shade, lounging over here at one point in the sun, and then you walk directly into the water. Oh,
How's it feel?
It's warm, but like it'll be nice. So yeah, that is our room tour here at Secrets Maroma Beach. We are gonna get lunch here in a minute. Our concierge is gonna come here. I'll give you all the details about everything, but this room is beautiful, and we'll see you guys when we're getting lunch in a minute. We are all cleaned up, and tonight we are going to Portofino, which is the Italian restaurant here at the resort. So we'll show you guys what we get there, and I'll kind of give you a view of what we did today. After that, maybe some beach shots. We'll see what kind of happens tonight. All right, let's get to dinner. Do us tonight. We are exhausted from our travels today. We're gonna head to bed, but dinner was delicious, don't you think?
Yes.
Was the best? The mushroom risotto was the best part, right?
Good.
So, like I said, we're gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys